Copper valleys are a unique way to do the valleys of your roof, but one of our favorites. I'm Bill Reagan with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and in this video, we're going to show you how we install a copper valley and also give you some good tips on whether or not copper valleys are good for your roof. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. So there's several things to consider when you're installing a copper valley. The first thing to consider is copper expands and contracts. So what we do, we put a little bend on the back side of the valley metal, and then we make a little clip, which is this, that hooks under it, and then we fasten the clip. That way the metal can expand and contract. Now when you get up to the top of this piece of metal, there's two nails, one here and here, and one here and here, at the top, which controls the expansion. It sends all the expansion downward. So if we keep it in these clips, it's never in a bind. If you start nailing through the valley and when it's in expansion mode, it's gonna bubble or oil can on you. One of the things that helps prevent the oil canning is instead of doing just a V, we've done a W. So we've added two more bends to this whole sheet right here. And another thing this W does is on a lower slope, it keeps the water from running off of this slope and under the next, the other side of it. So we normally pop a line 3 inches from the center of this rib right here up. That's where we pop our line, and that gives us 3 inches of open area for the water to flow down through it. Another thing pretty important, in my opinion, especially in the area that we're in, is down at the bottom. When we cut this, we cut across and then slit it and fold it, and that closes this end up right here. And if you leave it open, it's not that big a deal. Just if you see one open, expect wasp to come out of it, because this is a perfect haven, perfect spot for wasp to get in. Now, if you notice, we have installed this valley on top of the starter shingle. So the next shingles will come, this row of shingles is coming over and gonna go to the top. And we cut it, we use bigger ones when we get to the valley, so we're not having to put any of the nails in it. These clips, we always put these on at least 2-foot centers. If you see a 10-foot valley and you don't see at least 4 clips on each side, then there's not enough clips on it. One of the reasons we use copper is because it's going to outlast the material that we're using. It wouldn't make sense to put a metal in here or a material in here that's not going to outlast the roof that we're doing. Metal is also very easy to work with. It bends really easy. And for as thick as it is, this is a 16-ounce copper. As thick as it is, it bends easier than regular aluminum trim coil. So this is our preferred metal to use in valleys. Now you know a lot more about copper valleys. I'm Bill Reagan with Bill Reagan Roofing Company. Thanks again for watching the Roofing Channel. To learn more about cedar shake roofs, click on the video above. Remember, like and subscribe so we can spread more helpful information to homeowners just like yourself. Thanks again for watching.